Alright, so I got the car jacked up. I'm going to move on to the fuel filter. I got the car started the other day and it ran, idled just nice for a few minutes, and then it kind of starved out and died. Now it just cranks and cranks and cranks and won't actually turn over. So to me it's a either an air or fuel issue. Obviously it's not underwater, so I don't think it's an air issue. So fuel is what I'm going for. Got a filter from AutoZone. I also ordered a Motorcraft one, but it was coming in a little too late, and I wanted to get this done. I'm at my buddy's house, like I mentioned in other videos, and some things around the property are going missing. So I want to get the car out of here as soon as possible, get it to my house where I can keep an eye on it and it's secured. So anyways, I'll make this fuel filter under here. Hopefully that solves the problem and I can drive around the property in a few minutes. All right. Alright, so I got the fuel filter out of the car. Came up pretty easy. I had to break some little plastic tab teeth on to get the whole thing out, and then just kind of slide the filter out. It only comes out one way. There's a tooth on the part that holds it in place, so it just comes out one way. I did put vice grips on the fuel lines coming in and out of it, just to keep fuel in the lines and not in my armpits where it burns a lot. So quick little tip: if you have a new filter, or you think you have an issue with your old filter and you buy a new one, one thing you could check out is to see how much resistance you get when you blow through the filter. So the fuel filter, this is the new one, blows through nice and easy like a straw. Here's the old crusty one. You blow through it, and a little bit of fuel comes out, but yeah, it's harder to blow through it. And you just got to think about your fuel system. Your pump can only do so much. If there's a clog in the filter, the fuel doesn't go through, therefore a lot of air doesn't go through either when you try to blow through it in a test. It's kind of a stupid little thing, but you know, if you think it's a fuel filter issue with your car and you pull the old filter out and it blows through pretty easy, then you got to think, okay, maybe it's not the filter, maybe it is something else. On this one, like I said, it was hard to blow through it. Pretty confident that's what the problem was. Gonna throw the new filter in here, prime the motor, and go from there.